Let's talk about the Oppo Find X7. It's launched on January 2024. The dimensions of Oppo Find X7: height 6.4 inch, width 2.97 inch, thickness 8.7 mm, and the weight is 202 grams. And the build is front and back glass are eco leather back with aluminium frame. The display of Oppo Find X7 it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is 6.78 inches with 91.1% screen to body ratio, and the screen resolution is 1.5K with 120Hz refresh rate. It has 4500 nits peak of brightness, and the protection of this device it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The platform of Oppo Find X7 it comes with Android 14 operating system and MediaTek Dimensity 9300. The CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4 and the GPU is Immortalus G720. The memory of Oppo Find X7 it comes with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM, 256 512 gigs of and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video with main cameras. It has 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 fps video record. The battery backup of Oppo Find X7 it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 100 watt fast wire charging, no wireless charging and no reverse charging in this mobile. The common and the feature of Oppo Find X7 it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP65 dust water resistant. The Oppo Find X7 price is $6,699.